Hi friends, let's see how to insert or attach documents within Excel workbook. Here I need to attach latest annual report of against relevant companies for reference. So, go to Insert tab, then select Object which will be in right corner of text ribbon. Now one pop-up will be opened. You can select the relevant document type. Here my document is a Board Acrobat document. So selecting the same and checking Display as icon. If you want a different icon, you can change the same by selecting Change Icon and browse for different icons from your system or online browser. Once it is done, click OK button. Now PDF pop-up will be opened. Select the relevant document and click on Open button. That's it, the document is attached successfully. Let me attach the document of other companies too. Hope you understood how to insert the document. Kindly like, share, comment and subscribe for more Excel videos. Don't hesitate to ask any questions, we are happy to help you out.